Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a simple bar chart in SwiftUI. This is perfect if you are learning SwiftUI or just want to add some nice data visualizations to your iOS applications. Let's jump right in. So what is bar chart? A bar chart is simply a way of visualizing data using rectangular bars where the length or height of each bar represents the value of the data point. SwiftUI itself, before iOS 16, does not provide a built-in bar chart view. You had to either build one manually using shapes like rectangular or capsule, or rely on the third-party charting libraries. However, starting with iOS 16, macOS 13 and watchOS 9, Apple introduced the Charts framework, which makes creating bar charts and any other charts very straightforward. So let's start by creating the new Xcode project. Let's name it bar chart demo. We will use the SwiftUI interface. Click on next and save it there. Okay. So first we will define some sample data. For example, let's say we want to chart sales numbers. We will use an array of integers. So firstly we will create a model by using struct sales data. Let's create struct sales data. Pass identifiable. Let id equal to uid. Let month, this will be a string, and value will be double. So this is the model. Now we will create a new class which is bar chart view. Okay, in this first we will create a sample data, a dummy sample sales data, which we will pass within the bar chart. Let sample data data type will be array of sales data, month Jan 120, Feb 90, March 150, April 80, and May 200. Okay, now we will use a simple H stack within the bar chart view body with rectangles to represent each bar. So let's do it. Here we will add the horizontal stack first with alignment bottom and spacing 10. We will use 16. And within the content view we will use for each loop. Within the data we will pass sample data, and id will be dot id. Within the content view we will use vstack, and within the vstack we will pass rectangle and pass the fill color to blue, and frame will be 30, and height will be item dot value. And we will also add the text passing item dot month with font caption. Check the preview. Yes, it's working fine. We will add some padding to a horizontal stack. It's working cool. Now let's put it all together in our content view class. Within the vstack, we will pass text for the heading, monthly sales, with font title and padding. And after that, we will pass bar chart view. Now let's test. It's working quickly. Right now the chart is functional but a little plain. Let's improve by scaling the bar heights so they fit nicely inside the view. We have to move to bar chart view, and within that we will create one variable with max value, double sample data dot map $0 dot value dot max. Okay, and within the rectangle we will set the gradient within the blue, and within the frame height we will use dynamic. Within this we will use item dot value divide max value to 200. And that's it. You just created a simple bar chart in SwiftUI. Of course, you can customize the colors, add animations, or even make it interactive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.